Not by power, it's not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. Not by power and not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. The weapons of our warfare are not of this world. They are mighty to God. They're mighty to God. Power of His mercy and the power of His love. They are stronger than them all. Stronger than them all. Not by power and not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. It's not by power and it's not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. Good morning, people of God. It's hallelujahs from heaven, and this morning I'm excited to bring to you this verse in 1 Samuel chapter 17, verse 47, where David met Goliath, and David was telling Goliath that this battle is not by power, it's not by might, but by the Spirit of the Lord, because the battle is the Lord. And this morning I just want to encourage you before I have jury duty today. So before I leave for this assignment, I want to remind you that anything you have to do is not by power, not by might, but it's by the Spirit of the living God. God is the one who goes ahead of us, making every crooked place straight and breaking down the strongholds, destroying the weapons of the enemy, bringing us treasures in hidden places. That is Him doing all of it. It's not by power, it's not by might. We just have to take a stand and see the deliverance of the Lord. Go back with 1 Samuel chapter 17, and the verse 47 says, the battle is the Lord. It says, then all this assembly shall know that the Lord does not save with sword and spear, for the battle is the Lord's, and He will give you into our hands. Let's remember that every battle we face is actually not our battle, it's God's battle, because He has taken over. If you've given your life to Him and is in charge of your life, then you know that God is in charge. God bless you. Have a great day. Be blessed in your going out and in your coming in. And let me hear from you. God bless you. Hallelujah from heaven. Cheers. Not by power, it's not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. It's not by power, and it's not by might, but by my spirit,